If you're seeing the error unable to initialize Steam API, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that usually solves the problem fast. This is a common issue that can happen when Steam is not fully running, when the game files are damaged, or when Steam needs administrator permissions to connect properly. We're going to walk through the exact steps you need to take so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam and make sure that it is fully running and that you are logged into the correct account. This part is important because the game needs Steam to be active in the background in order to initialize the Steam API correctly. If Steam is closed, signed out, or stuck loading, the game may fail to launch properly. Once you're in Steam, go over to your library and find the game that's giving you the error. Now right-click the game and choose Properties. This opens the settings for that specific game, and from here we can check the game installation for problems. In the Properties window, look for the Installed Files section. This is where Steam gives you the option to scan and repair the game files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and let Steam complete the check. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, and what it does is compare your installed files with the official version on Steam. If anything is missing, broken, or corrupted, Steam will automatically replace it. That alone fixes the unable to initialize Steam API error for a lot of players. Once the verification is finished, close Steam completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it is fully closed from the system tray if needed. After that, locate steam.exe on your computer. Right-click on steam.exe and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator permissions can help it access the files and services it needs, especially if the game was installed in a protected folder or if Windows is blocking part of the connection. When Steam opens again, make sure you are still logged in, then launch the game from Steam only. Avoid starting the game from the desktop shortcut or the game folder, because launching it outside of Steam can sometimes trigger this error again. If the problem is still there after these steps, go back and double check that Steam is updated, the game is fully verified, and you are opening the game from the Steam library. You may also want to restart your PC once more after making these changes, because a fresh reboot can clear out any stuck background processes. In many cases though, just verifying the files and running Steam as administrator is enough to fix the issue. So that's how to fix unable to initialize Steam API step by step. Try these steps in order, and most of the time the error should be gone. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.